Hello, I am going to discuss about the fluid mechanics problem. In this problem, it is given that designing a pressurized tank for water fertilizer for the given condition. Calculate the discharge velocity of sprayer. Basically, there is a tank, there is a closed tank, and in this tank, the water as well as pressurized gas is filled. So we have to find the velocity at this point, that is the sprayer. So we have to find the velocity of this sprayer, that is v. So for solving this problem, first of all we have to draw the there is a datum line, that is this line is datum line that is passing from the sprayer, and horizontal datum line is there. So first of all we will find the pressure 8.1. So pressure 8.1 P1 is equal to rho GH plus PG. Here total pressure P1 is equal to hydrostatic pressure, that is rho GH, plus gauge pressure of gas. So P1 is equal to substitute the value of rho. We know that the density of water, that is rho W, is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter. It is given. So substitute 1000 multiplied by G, 9.81 multiplied by H is the height of water. So height of water is 0.5 plus pressure of gauge, that gauge pressure, this is the gauge pressure. So gauge pressure of gas, so it is given that 10 kilopascal, so 10 to the power 3 pascal. So on solving, the value of pressure is 9.81 multiplied by 0.5 plus, yes, pressure is P1 is equal to 14905 Pascal. Now we have calculated the pressure 8.1. Now use the Bernoulli equation between point 1 and 2. So apply the Bernoulli. So the Bernoulli equation is P1 upon rho G plus V1 square upon 2G plus Z1 is equal to P2 upon rho G plus V2 square upon 2G plus Z2. Now here we will put the values of P1, rho G and V1, V2. So first of all put the value of pressure P1. So we have calculated the value of pressure P1, that is this one. So this one is the, actually this is the gauge pressure, GAUGA, gauge pressure. So here this P1 is gauge pressure, so we will put also the value of P2 as a gauge pressure. So P1 is equal to 14905 divided by density of water is 1000 multiplied by 9.81 gravity, acceleration due to gravity, plus here velocity V1 is the velocity of 0.1. Here the water is a static condition, so the velocity of water is 0 divided by 2G plus Z1 is the height of point 1 from the datum. This is the datum, DATUM. So actually this point is on the datum line, so we will put this value as 0. Again P2 point 2 is just away from the nozzle, so here only atmospheric pressure will be there and there will be no gauge pressure. So we will put the gauge pressure because pressure P1 is gauge pressure, so P2 will also be gauge pressure. So here gauge pressure is 0, only atmospheric pressure is there. So we will put, we know that for atmospheric pressure gauge pressure is 0. Again, velocity v2 we have to find the velocity of jet or sprayer, we can say 9 point, this is the value of g, and z2 is also on datum line, so we will put the value of z2 is 0. Now just solve 14.905 divided by 9.81 is equal to v2 square divided by 2 into 9.81. Here the 9.81 and 9.81 cancel out, so v2 square is equal to 2 multiplied by 14.905 or v2 is equal to multiplied, yes, the value of v2 is 5.459 meter per second. So the sprayer velocity is, that is v2 is 5.459 meter per second. That is the answer. So thank you so much for watching this video.